So, you want to easily link your Phantom wallet with the Nodepay platform? I got you! Many people in the USA and around the world are exploring new platforms like Nodepay for earning passive income through Web3 technologies. To connect Phantom for potential Nodepay token rewards, first, make sure you have created an account on the official Nodepay website and installed their browser extension. Then log into your Nodepay dashboard. Look for a section to connect or link your wallet, typically in your account settings or a specific rewards or airdrop claim area. NodePay uses the Solana network, so you will need to provide your Solana wallet address from Phantom. Open Phantom, copy your main Solana address, and paste it into the designated field on the NodePay dashboard. Follow any on-screen verification steps, which might include signing a message or confirming via email to fully link and verify your wallet for receiving future earnings. And that's it.